All right, so my friend put me onto this Instagram, and in this Instagram profile, this user, she finds like different Starbucks recipes for espressos, coffees, and all that stuff. So I decided to try it. So let's get into my first drink from this profile. Okay, so what I'm trying today is a Grande cold brew with one single shot of blonde espresso, 3 pumps vanilla, 2 pumps of white mocha chocolate sauce, and whipped cream and caramel drizzle, which is like completely gone right now. So let's try and see. Okay, all right. Do I like it? Yes. Would I get it again? Probably not. But however, all the ice is gone. So that's probably why it's like tasting watery right now, but I would say 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10. So if you want to try this drink, you can order it directly at Starbucks or you can order it on the mobile app. Let me know how you like it.